How to customize the lock screen in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to change the background and control what information appears on it on your lock screen. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Personalization in the left sidebar. After that, click on Lock Screen on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a drop-down labeled Personalize your lock screen at the top. From here, click on it and choose from 3 options. Windows Spotlight automatically rotates through a selection of curated images pulled from the internet and changes the background regularly on its own. Picture lets you set a single static image as your lock screen background. Click Browse Photos to pick one from your device. Slideshow lets you choose a folder of images that will rotate as your lock screen background over time. Following this, scroll down and look for the lock screen status option. Click the drop-down and choose an app whose information you want displayed on the lock screen, like weather or calendar. After that, toggle off Get Fun Facts, Tips, and Tricks on your lock screen if you don't want Windows showing suggestions and ads alongside your background. From here, scroll down and toggle off Show the Lock Screen Background Picture on the sign-in screen if you'd prefer a plain background on the login screen instead. Finally, any changes you make here apply instantly, so you can press Windows key plus L to lock your screen and preview exactly how everything looks. That's how you customize the lock screen in Windows 11. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you then!